Hey, love. I lost you, babe. Picking up a planet with a press on it. It's easier holding you down. Can't be any harder than holding you now. To come clean, I said. To be realist, to be with this. Probably true what they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. Usually come from your inner circle or lack thereof, and I don't know. I can trust. I've been dropping out and I've been hanging out with my high friends, and we too stoned to pay attention. I mean, really, it's same me, it's old me, you know, same shit. I've been on the low key grinding, on the low key shining, trying to keep to myself, but you bring
The wolf. Oh no, like in Harry Potter, like the three-headed wolf.
These are great, bro. This is
Why does this look unreal?
Donc on est dans cette grotte, elle s'est formée il y a 2 millions d'années, donc tout ce que vous voyez a pris des millénaires à se former. Donc dans cette grotte on y retrouve 2 types de concrétions, donc les concrétions c'est le décor, c'est ce qu'on voit. La première, donc ici on se trouve dans la salle de Monsieur Armand.
Yeah. One block. Oh, oh.
Uh-oh, I see y'all done. Ew. Boy, come on, man.
I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You come mind your business. I belong to nobody, try not to disturb. I'm a business.
Happy dance.
I did.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci, au revoir.
Au revoir. Freedom! It's a freedom!
We're in the jungle now.
What the frick? Oh my gosh, look at the view. Is it raining? It's a freedom! This is what Harriet Tubman felt like.
You guys know what's like, hey, this monkey sucks too, bro.
She was, man, take me out, bro.
Hey Sarah, get a look at the real view. Alright.
What do you rate the cave? What do you rate the cave?
Like a 7. Lyric Cabins was better, so like a 6.
I'll take it for you.
Oh.
There's a part where they turned
6,
off
7. Sorry.
There's a part where they turned off all the lights and you could like mess with people because it was completely like pitched black.
Can it adjust to us being in the sun now? We're out the cave.
Oh way.
New Year. Sorry, my fault.
What is
Oh! Oh my goodness. Girl talk. The witches are coming here after their coven and they're like, girl talk. The witch in question.
Bro, have you watched Bath?
Yeah.
This is giving like after they like do their little like cauldron.
Yes,
thing,
that's
and,
what I'm
like,
saying.
They come here and like start plotting.
Welcome to our podcast. And it's like the witches like brewing up.
So then, this is a real violation.
Jump.
Good shit, Dave.
Jump. Let's see it. This is all my clothes. And this is all my food.
That's beautiful.
For the hikes,
Ooh.
for breakfast. Yes, some tent soup. Bro, I love a good sleepover.
Does anyone else want to hear that?
Put it on.
Zane, I think you want to hear that.
Put it on.
Yeah, look, I think I already see your hair.
Alright, I'll talk to you guys when we get to the bacon. That's gonna take forever.
150 grams is not.
Yeah.
Wait, 48?
Yes! She's a goat! Okay. No!
How did that? I took some off. How does that make it more? Stop, let me. Yeah.
It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so that, 150 of that. Bow.
Wait, so.
And now, a mixture of
Oh,
set.
this one's container. Look, I think this Culture de Cafe is
Ah,
container.
wow! So let's move this out the way. Put this over here.
Pull that down so you can get better angle.
I forgot we're chefs.
So, okay, so just put these two together.
Where?
And that one, same time.
Oh, okay. Is it gonna do
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, more sugar than salt.
I know. It's a sweet bread?
Most bread is sugar in it.
Are we supposed to share it? Because they're putting the spoons. You know what? Our bread is just gonna be better. It's a competition. Our bread's gonna be better.
Alright, now what? I don't know what that means. I think it just means mix. Just mix it.
Oh yeah, fair de poo. Mix.
Fair to poo. No, metro means mix. Poo does not.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I gave you what you needed. I know what you like.
It's because they always know, like, you always know what heavy water is.
Why are you all up in our herb?
I feel it coming. Time is at the gas tank. I try to teach you.
Here, guys. This is
Oh, don't put it in the thing. Oh, no, not on there either.
It's fine, it's fine.
I don't know where to put it.
Same, yeah.
Okay, we need 20.
Whoa! 20. Bet, okay.
What a pro! Oh, 0.
So what did you Google what that means?
This?
Yeah.
Make a will.
Are you sure that we don't just mix these together and then? Amy, do we mix these together in a cup and then put it in the well, or do we just put it in the well?
Put this.
We did.
Yeah.
And this. Mix it
You
up.
already mixed it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make a
now
well.
you put that in.
In here?
Made a little hole. Yep. Put it in the
That was
middle.
part of the 20 grams.
Put a hole in this, or
No, in the flour.
Oh yeah, okay, we did that.
Then
We need the water.
you're gonna add kilo.
Where?
This is 20 grams. Do we should we split this down?
Émietté. Émietté, c'est.
Oh, break it up.
Should we split this in just don't waste it? Yeah, it's fine.
Ours is gonna be a little thick.
But I need some lessons. I need to give it up.
Ow.
Wait, go to grams.
Wait.
It's not grams.
Oh, okay.
Columbia on 120 or 220.
Thirsty.
Man, same. I need this extra water. Alright, 14. 20, 22.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
You're too eager, like.
There's no way we could have made it well for that much water. Alright, just Metro.
I got to live what I want. I got the wife, got the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Okay, let me get some more flour up in this piece. Mamma mia! Sorry.
Italienne, mais ils mangent pas de lasagne.
Okay. You see how it's kind of unsticking from the bowl?
Alright, make sure you get some flour on the edge.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is a lot.
Hold on.
Don't drop that in there.
Hey, we're eating spoon for dinner. Oh, I'm sorry. Add some more. Is that all of it? Oh, I was about to say, we need some more up in this joint.
I'm starting using my hands.
I want to start using my hands too.
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Then I'm really mess up my mind, and I'm really make you free up your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave.
Most niggas hide and Brenda just stay pregnant, breaking
Ooh.
that's less important.
Fine.
Yeah, if you leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Got me what needs to me. I wanna let you know.
You were supposed to watch that part. Yeah. I'm like, Loki, that's how they do it though. Right?
She needs this. Let her have it.
They sound like they're beating their bread down. And you're worried about me spanking my bread? This looks good though.
Are you recording a video?
What?
What are you doing?
1 hour later.
Tu peux essayer?
So like, how do you...
Non, comme ça.
Ouais.
Tu prends et tu la fais glisser. Tu vois?
That's kind of really.
Kind of make it roll
Voilà.
like that.
Après tu la retournes,
What can you
mais pas trop parce qu'il faut qu'elle colle un peu à la. Il faut la pousser et la faire glisser comme ça dessus. Comme si tu voulais la mettre.
I don't know if I want to eat the bread after what I'm done with it.
I just want to...
Il faut la attends. Je vais te montrer. Laisse tes mains.
Ouais.
Attends, t'es trop grande. Là.
Ouais.
En fait, il faut la faire glisser
Ah.
comme ça.
And then
la retourne.
Slide.
Wait. And then...
Look on the edge, like making it slide. Yeah, there you go. Glisse, can you slim slide?
Ah.
Give it some buzz.
Here, you do it. I don't add some flour. Okay, go ahead. You a little aggressive with it. You gotta get under. You're not supposed to have any pieces left. Yeah. And then you gotta turn it. You can't keep doing it the same way for so long. Yeah.
Voilà.
Voilà.
Et tu le fais plus avec les doigts.
Oh, because like it's.
Keeps getting that little numb.
You gotta like.
Do you hit yourself in the face?
I think that works.
I hate it.
Hold on.
Think about it.
So you're gonna wanna.
What do you even do?
Thumbnail.
With your left hand?
5 minutes later.
Flour me.
I have like a gram.
Tu la mets sur le.
Oh wait. No.
I gave in.
Oh, you important.
How long is this gonna be? So fun.
This is what happens when y'all want French music. Oh wait, I don't want to be caught lacking.
Lacking. What are you talking about?
Oh, in your video, in your.
You have a lot. Yeah, that's not good enough.
Not very good.
Oh, you gotta do better. Sarah.
Wait, who got more, me or Sarah?
No, I think it was equal.
I don't think who has more manners. I don't think it's anything.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, I'll go after this.
Oh.
I'm only doing one hand, bro.
You need help?
I'm only doing one hand.
Do you need help?
No.
Are you sure?
Looks like a good consistency.
Oh no, she has a.
Keep going, man.
What the hell?
Damn.
Told ya.
Why is she using a different spoon every time?
Girl.
Why we gotta dirty every spoon?
It was sticky.
You played last Friday night.
You don't need no other body, baby. Everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way.
Oh, it looks like those starfish that you like feed the little chicken nugget starfish. Oh, snap. Literally what we just asked for. Literally his mouth is open too. What? What are y'all making?
Let's make it baguette triangle, bro.
Baguette triangle.
Don't worry, I got it. Oh, don't worry, I've got it. Yeah, that's like no good.
You just gonna keep molesting him?
Think about.
That's not molesting, dude.
It's. Oh. Whoa. Why does that actually look amazing?
Thanks, Squid. Bonjour.
You want to do a fifth?
Oh, yours look good too.
Oh.
First we had a face, but the face kind of looked like a little gruesome. So yeah.
Par contre, il faut le mettre.
Are you gonna catch a tadpole today?
The
donut?
We'll see.
You gonna get the donut? Donut?
Are you gonna catch a tadpole?
I better. Oh yeah.
You better?
I better, bro.
I'll catch a dog.
No, personally,
What's that evil laugh? What are you plotting? Meanwhile, the dog's like, huh?
In my mind, it was like dinner. Like, I was like, oh, this is great. This is new dinner. Because I couldn't even
Oh wait, that is a wing.
That is really
Exactly.
pretty.
Don't play with the queen.
Ça
ressemble à une libellule.
Y'all want it?
Yeah.
Non merci.
On aime bien dire.
Voilà. Oh, I got that on camera.
Like young lady in French. And
You want a wing?
you can make a wish.
Why do the?
Oh wait, I want. Oh.
Wish.
Wait, Oh, I'm so I injured my arm. I'm so tired. I can't
reach
Well, the doctor said I can't.
Can somebody help the queen?
You only have to run it a couple times.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, you think? I don't know.
Oh no, I was trying to do a.
I'm so lost.
Like I can't put my elbow right there.
We're done. Freedom. I rate that a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, you said?
Yes. I wanted to catch it. We have time. Well, there goes our dinner. Blackberries, fish, and a bread. And we picked it and made it all ourselves.
I'm milking that fish myself.
What?
This place like a self-sustainable like co-op anyway. Like,
Probably.
this honestly makes sense. Like,
Wait, Levi, come back.
Shit. Dude, let's eat it.
Eat it? No. You're.
What's up?
Hey.
I have another.
Wow. Where'd you find it?
Over there.
Put some more
I
water
can't
there, we
keep
don't
them, Suri. I feel bad.
Okay, give them to me.
Here, you just take this bucket, I take yours.
Okay.
Fill her up.
I caught 3. Billy, Billy, and Bob.
Voilà, c'est ça. Et là, tu montes l'exemple.
Bye bye, Billy, Billy, and Bob. Billy, Millie, and Tilly.
Kurt, it's been real. Happy around.
Family, bro.
You were a great catch. I really enjoyed seeing you in that bucket.
All right, let them be free.
I'm excited to see you go.
Bye bye.
Salute the damn animal.
Bye.
Salute the damn animal. Salute.
Yes.
You didn't pour anything out here, did you?
Legit family.
Like, legitimately like 50.
The other group has nothing on our.
Oh my gosh, they're getting anxious, guys. Can we let them free?
Bring these to dinner. They're chill, bro.
They're vibing.
Yeah.
That does not look like a vibe.
Okay, it looks like they're having
That's
an
just how
orgy
they
in that
move.
corner.
They're cat.
Oh my god.
She records everything for her vlog, bro.
Goodbye, babies. Oh. Be free. Wait, how old is he?
16.
Oh. Interesting.
Good, wait, I feel something like. Oh my god, is it sick? No.
Don't do that.
I'm so paranoid.
Anxiety.
I've literally covered like every inch of my body with that.
The one I saw you put on your hood, I was like, oh, that's smart.
Because they like. I'm not gonna say anything.
Yeah, just we're done.
Or maybe say it. Cautionary. No, because there's nothing you can do about it.
Dans les maisons, on ne passe pas la tête dans les maisons. Juste, on regarde et on peut prendre en photo. C'est ok?
What do you not do with the houses?
Don't put your head in.
Yeah.
Something about popping your head. Will it really break on the spot?
Guys, y'all are like gatekeeping the. You know what? Y'all won that battle. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I'm not going to lie to you.
Between those two,
I'm not going to lie to you.
bro.
I'm not going to lie.
Shut up. Between those two in the front, literally taking pictures for the past 5 minutes, they got
I'm
it.
not going to lie to you.
I'm gonna break your other wrist.
You live in Chicago, right? Okay, well, don't you have like O Block? O Block?
Oh, Buck, I used to live near there, bro.
I'm never.
Bennett lives at Old
Give it a rest. Why is people infatuation with it? Hello, this is editing Sarah. Don't mind my voice because I'm like a tad sick. But I just want this clip to be caught in like context, because like they constantly talk about things about black people, whether it's black people's slang or where they live, or like a lot of people within this program said a lot of questionable things that I let slide. But I was very aggravated at the time that we were doing the night hike. And when they brought up O Block, they've brought it up so many times before, and to me, because they know I live in Chicago, and it was just so like annoying. And it was just like can y'all shut up? So like when I snapped, it wasn't like, I know the conversation kind of seemed harmless, but when I snapped, it was kind of like, can y'all stop talking about black people as a whole? Like the whole infatuation was getting very like odd. And like I have tons of clips from loads of videos that I've posted or want to post of them like talking about black people stuff, or maybe saying very questionable or rude things to me, like microaggressions, and I've decided to cut out for the sake of them, because at the end of the day they are people as well and don't deserve to be put on blast on my platform, my social media, whatever. But like I just wanted to put this clip into context, that I definitely was not being like a rude person, like, because I didn't even say it directly towards them. I kind of said it to myself, like, people are so infatuated by black people, and it's just so weird to me. But like, don't say any of these people hate or anything or da da da. Like, it is what it is. Such is life. C'est la vie. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. It's like, do people not have lives these days, folks? What?
Dude, people do not live.
Exactly. I'm not talking about this.
Oh no. Go back and back.
Are we back?
Freedom! Wait, you're telling me those TP? Oh, they're from us. Freedom! Freedom! Are we serious, bro?
Oh my god, yes! Yes. Wait, sorry. The way y'all was so convinced half of our group was like a native Indian.
I wasn't. I was just confused. They look like tourists, so I knew
They look like us. I don't know.
Well, I don't know about that one.
I just wanna take out and prove what a real man supposed to do. We can lay around and play around and got time to hang with my crew. I love it. I love it.
1 hour later.
Just average. Because you like my accent. It's the way that I talk my shit. It's the way that
2 hours later.
I wear these glasses.
That's decent. That's good for me.
3 hours later. We just walked from all the way down there to up here. Now we gotta go across there to go all the way up there. What the heck? From all the way down there to up here. Now we gotta go across there to go all the way up there. What the heck? Oh, it's attached. What music you gonna play?
I don't know, give me something.
I don't know.
I can't figure it out. You gotta give me a recommendation.
Like some maybe R&B neo soul to relax me.
I died. Yeah, I died.
Okay. Seems like the cave. Sometimes it seems, sometimes touch me, I'm slowing down.
Just for us.
To make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. I keep letting you back in.
Yeah. Wow.
Especially since we're still young.
It's fine.